A very good morning to all class 10th students. I am back again with a new video and we were continuing the chapter agriculture. And yesterday I have told you what is intensive agriculture, what is extensive agriculture, and I have also told you the zooming, what is shifting agriculture, what is settled agriculture. And today, continuing with the chapter, I am going to tell you the different types of farming, out of which one was commercial farming that I told you yesterday, and today I will be teaching you what is plantation agriculture or plantation farming. Plantation agriculture is an agriculture that is done on a large scale. We have seen the plants of the tea, coffee. We have large estates where a single crop is produced and a single crop is harvested on a very large scale in acres and acres of land. Okay, so this type of agriculture is known as plantation agriculture. So what are some of the characteristics of plantation agriculture? Let's first discuss. Single crop is grown. Single crop is grown on a very large scale. Single crop is grown on a very large scale. Second, cheap labor is employed. अब भाई बहुत ज़्यादा मजदूर काम करने के लिए चाहिए होंगे बड़े बड़े टी के प्लांट्स में, कॉफ़ी के प्लांट्स में, कोकोआ के प्लांट्स में, तो बहुत महंगी लेबर तो रखेंगे नहीं, बिकॉज एकर्स एंड एकर्स ऑफ फार्म लैंड आर देयर, वी हैव टू work on them, so they have cheap labor because a single plant is grown over there. Estates, these are also known as estates, coffee estates, tea estates. You will find a lot of coffee estates, tea estates in Assam and in the northeast where laborers work. Modern methods of farming are used. Modern methods of farming, बिकॉज हाई लेवल की यील्ड चाहिए होती है, हाई लेवल की यील्ड चाहिए होती है, प्रोडक्शन बहुत मास स्केल पे होता है, कल्टीवेशन बहुत मास स्केल पे होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. तो अगर हम स्मॉल मेथड्स ऑफ फार्मिंग यूज़ करेंगे, नई सीड्स नहीं यूज़ करेंगे, हाई प्रोडक्टिविटी सीड्स नहीं यूज़ करेंगे, देन द प्रोडक्शन विल नॉट बी डन. सो अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क इज डन ऑन सिंगल क्रॉप विथ चीप लेबर एम्प्लॉइंग modern methods of farming. This is plantation agriculture for you. Plantation agriculture basically means when we grow a single plant over a large area, very large area, hectares and hectares of land, and we have a lot of labor working over there, and we use modern methods of farming to cultivate a single plant. This is known as plantation agriculture. It is produced in bulk. The production is done in bulk of these things. Okay, so if the things are there like this, obviously plantation agriculture will require fourth thing, that is good transport system. Good transport system. Why good transport system is needed? Good transport system is needed because to carry the production to distant places, because the production is quite heavy. भाई बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा मास प्रोड्यूस होता है, तो ऑब्वियसली वहाँ पे मूवमेंट के लिए अच्छी रोड्स, अच्छी ट्रक्स, अच्छी ट्रेन कनेक्टिविटी होनी चाहिए. सो प्लांटेशन एग्रीकल्चर ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्स गुड ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम. सो this is plantation agriculture. Single crop, the basic thing is that single crop is grown and cheap labor is employed, modern methods of farming are used, good transportation, and it is basically done for plantation agriculture. Basically किसके लिए होता है? फॉरेन ट्रेड के लिए, इम्पोर्ट के लिए. फॉरेन ट्रेड के लिए it is done basically because foreign trade. You see that India imports coffee and also exports coffee, exports tea. Some of the mainly grown crops, and I will be telling you some of the crops that are grown for plantation agriculture are your coffee, your tea, your sugar cane, your banana, all your cocoa, जिससे चॉकलेट बनता है. These are the plantation farms that are done in plantation farming. Okay, so plantation farming is basically done in India, in northeast. Mainly tea cultivation इंडिया में है, जो कि प्लांटेशन फार्मिंग में आता है और बहुत बड़े लेवल पे होता है. वर्ल्ड में क्या होता है? वर्ल्ड में कॉफ़ी, sugar cane, all these things are also considered to be a part of plantation farm. Okay, now I hope the plantation farming part is clear to you. We will now move on to major crops. So we will first move on to the major crops and we'll move on to the crop season. What are crop season in India? Because if we understand the crop season, then we will understand the crops. So India crop seasons in India. First is you must know that India has 3 crop seasons basically. First is Kharif, Rabi and Zaid. These are the 3 crop seasons that we have in India: Kharif, Rabi and Zaid. Okay.